here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and all his reindeers pulling on the reins.
Welcome back or welcome to my channel, you guys. It is Vlogmas day 15 and we have 10 days until Christmas. So today we're going to make the dip that I was telling you about yesterday that I want to make. Go to the store, get stuff I need to make it. I don't know if I'm gonna make tortilla bowls or like a walking taco or just like regular tacos. I don't know. Yep, that's what we're doing today. I think that's it. So yeah, welcome to day 15 of Vlogmas. Okay, I am dressed and ready to go. This beanie is from Shein, shades Lorvae, L-O-R-V-A-E. And this is the style, what is it? Receipts. Earrings, beauty supply store, necklace. My Nike necklace is from Etsy. My name necklace is from K Galore Collection on Facebook and Instagram. This was a gift, David Yerman, I believe. Sweatshirt, White Fox Boutique. Pants, Pretty Little Thing. Shoes, Nike. Bag, I'm not sure. I think Fashion Nova. And all my rings are from Shein. So yeah, let's go. Yeah, I like both of those.
Which ones you like the most? Big dog got them buns on it. Oh, that's in the circle.
Cute.
You don't want that many abrasions on the outside. Vlog.
Very good.
Nice vocabulary. Read a word out the dictionary every day. With your onions, you want to make sure, I don't know, you just gotta let that bit talk to you.
Y'all, these are so good, but I found out the hard way that they're a natural laxative, but they're so good. I sure want one. And grab me one of these. Triple cheese. Gotta get the triple cheese. Make it the Starbies. We'll make it. It's only $9.18. The Starbies is secured. Y'all probably heard me order. But I got a grande pumpkin spice cream frappuccino, extra caramel drizzle, 3 pumps of white mocha sauce, 6 pumps of caramel syrup, and lime to cook with caramel. Heard. It's too sweet for you? Like, you don't like it?
Nah, it's good.
I'm back home. Finna make dip and tacos and Christmas cookies. Alright, y'all, let's make this dip, the dip that Cardi B made that I saw on TikTok. But anyway, she basically just combined all of these ingredients into a blender. So yeah, so you need 2 avocados, 3 squeezed limes, which I'm gonna squeeze these when we get to it, then a bunch of cilantro. I don't know how much of this I'm gonna use, but she used a lot, so I'm probably gonna use a good bit. 14 ounces of jalapenos, so I got 2 7-ounce cans to make 14. 2 tablespoons of black pepper, a tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 blocks of cream cheese, this is a 2-pack, 3 cups of sour cream, which is 24 ounces, but I only have a total of 22 ounces with this and this container, so that's close enough. And then chicken bouillon, and she just combined all that into a blender and blended it up, and that's it. So I bought this thing today. Can y'all see it? Anyway, I bought this today because if you watch the day 2 video, then I was telling y'all that the girl that made her soup, she had like something like this and blended hers like in the pot on the stove. I had to dump mine in the blender because I didn't have one of these. I don't even know if that was safe or not. It probably wasn't. So I went ahead and bought me one because I want to make more soup. But I was thinking I could use it to blend this up. I don't see why you couldn't. That way I don't have to use the blender, and I can just blend it in the bowl that I'm storing it in with this little hand blender. So yeah, because like I told y'all in day 2, I know how to save a dish. So if I don't have to use the blender, I'll just mix it all in this bowl with this thing. So yeah, it should be really easy. So let's get to it. My helper done went to sleep. We're supposed to be having tacos, and he's supposed to be making the salmon right now because we're having salmon tacos, and he done went to sleep. So either we not having tacos or I'll just make it by myself, and he ain't getting none. I'm not waking him up to eat it. I'm just playing. I'm gonna wake him up. I already washed off all my produce, by the way, and my hands. So yeah, so anyway, 2 blocks of cream cheese. There's 1. There's 2. Hopefully this works with this little handheld blender. If not, I'll just dump it all in the blender, so it's fine. And then 14 ounces of jalapenos. So I'm gonna put my 2 7-ounce cans in there. So there's 1 can and the other can. 3 cups of sour cream. That's 24 ounces, but like I said, I only have 22 ounces total. So I'm gonna just dump this whole 8 ounce in there and then squeeze this whole 14 ounce in. Also, people were saying that other people that made this recipe, she put hers in a Ninja blender, the same Ninja blender that I have. People were saying they was having a hard time closing their blender. Seems like she got hers in there fine, but maybe it's better that I do the hand blender just in case I get it all over there and it don't fit. Shoot, my bowl might not be big enough. Okay, and then 2 avocados. So let me chop these. Okay, there's our 2 avocados. I love me some avocado. 2 tablespoons of black pepper. 1 and 2. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. 3 squeezed limes. So let me cut these. Okay, I juiced all my limes in here. So there's the 3 squeezed limes. And then the chicken bouillon. I don't even know how much of this to use. I guess just 1 of these little packets, because it looked like she used a packet in the TikTok. I'll insert the TikTok. I probably already inserted it, but it looked like she just used 1 of these little packets. So I'll just use 1 of these little packets. Yeah, she used 1 packet of this. So, and then a whole bunch of cilantro. So I don't know. Let me look at the TikTok, see how much she grabbed. Okay, I'm gonna put like this much. I'm gonna just put all of this in here, so hopefully that's not too much. I love cilantro though, so I don't care. Okay, and I'm gonna see if I can do it with this hand blender. We'll see. Okay, so let's see if this thing works. I mean, it works, but I just want to see if it'll work for this. It's working. Might take some time, but it's working. Okay, a blender will definitely be faster and save more time, but so will me washing that blender. It's easier to wash this. Alright y'all, there you have it. Cardi B's dip. I'm gonna go ahead and cook the salmon. I don't know if I'm gonna show y'all that because that's the only thing we have to cook for the tacos, and then we'll try it. Try this dip. I ain't concerned about trying the tacos on camera. I'm gonna try it with these lime. What is it? Lime? Hint of lime tortilla chips. Yeah, she did that. It's got a good bit of spice to it, but not like overwhelmingly spicy, or like to the point where you can't enjoy it.
What are you putting in?
10 out of 10. Here's my plate. Salmon tacos. 10 out of 10. All of it. I had to come back and let y'all know that these cookies were also a 10 out of 10. We should have did the chocolate chip on all of them. Yeah. Alright, y'all. I'm done eating. That food was good. 10 out of 10. Busting. All of that. Definitely recommend making on your next taco night, Taco Tuesday, or whatever y'all do. Definitely make that dip. And I recommend making those Christmas cookies with the chocolate chip. 10 out of 10. I was a little skeptical about that because I was like, I don't know if they go together, but they do. Yeah, 10 out of 10. Very good. Cardi B knew what she was doing. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. In tomorrow's vlog, let's see, I don't know. I either need to be working on my lip glosses or something. I need to be working on something because I got content stuff. So my next vlog might be like a work day or like content, like getting content, creating content, business stuff, you know, basically like a work day, like me just getting caught up on everything I need to be doing. So yeah, because I got 3 videos that I need to edit, need to come out before Christmas, and then I want to do my lip gloss stuff. So yeah, that is it for day 15 of Vlogmas. We done made it to the final countdown, y'all. 10 more days. 10. But yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, please. And thank you. And make sure your post notifications are on so you don't ever miss when I post, because you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. I want to go ice skating soon as well. So make sure your post notifications are on, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.